is Caleb Goffner. I work down at the Visitor Control Center at Fort Johnson. Today I would like to cover the proper procedures for registering your weapon at Fort Johnson. The two ways to properly register your weapon are digitally or in person at the Visitor Control Center. Digital registration of weapons can be done by obtaining a copy of the form at the link below. You also have the option of registering your weapon physically here in person at the Visitor Control Center. If you choose to register your weapons in person, please don't bring any weapons into the Visitor Control Center.